Hello everyone. Happy November 1st. Today we celebrate authors, vinegar, and the power of storytelling. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Authors Day, a tribute to the voices behind our favorite books. A great gift could be a personalized journal, a signed copy of a beloved novel, or a cozy reading nook kit. Who's your favorite author? Let's celebrate them in the comments. Next, it's National Vinegar Day, a tangy salute to a kitchen staple with surprising versatility. A thoughtful gift could be a gourmet vinegar sampler, a DIY pickling kit, or a recipe card set. What's your favorite vinegar-based dish? Let's stir up the comments.
Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later.
And finally, it's National Family Literacy Day, a celebration of reading together and building lifelong learning habits. A sweet gift could be a family book bundle, a literacy board game, or a storytelling puppet set. What's your favorite childhood book? Let's share the nostalgia in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for December 1st to 5th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.